Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can find trending on Instagram. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all the steps properly, and here we go. So first of all, open up your Instagram application on your device and simply log in with your account. And after logging in, you will see that in your timeline section, what you need to do is just go to your search tab and search for your favorite singer. Then select the audio section and you'll be able to see all of the artists' songs that are currently trending. Now, another way is by searching for Instagram creators. In the search tab, this is an official Instagram page which uploads about what's the current trend or trending songs right now on daily basis. This is a great page if you want to stay updated about trends. Now the last option and the most interesting one is by watching reels to know about what's trend right now. So this is a really great way to start, as you can also enjoy while doing your search. And that's how you can find trending on Instagram. So that's all for today's video guys. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.